atibong kanabian MPs LC5 Skypolo ke support Eriamunos abila na eja moruitit etembrangen aitetem iwaitin iche lwapadalatar kesi Ainyabuk na Aipuc KARAMOJA.
This we are bringing all the LC3s, all the LCCs are here, all the RDCs are here, all the DPs are here. We want to harmonize our message to the people. We want to ensure that this exercise is done properly, it's intelligence-led, that those who have the guns are actually picked from the community and the rest of the people are left to go about their life.
Nowadays, our grandchildren and our sons, they are now making different things of our future long time. And also, the collaborators who are between that community, they are the one really who are spoiling. When they saw you have one cow, they make a phone to Gabon, come and raid here. We have our father's cow. The father refused to give me the cow. So now come and raid, and we share from phones. These people now, they are using phones for their business.
I have already a team that is set in the sub-counties. The chairpersons of the youth are there in the sub-counties. Whoever who talks to the youth and brings women with a gun, I coordinate with them.
To try our best to see how we can bridge the peace between the different communities, how we can talk to different Karachuna to embrace peace, how we can interact and engage them, dialogue with them, to see that this business is nonsense of cattle rusting comes to an end.
One of the raiders who has brought back the gun to the government. I want the government to help our family by building the house, by taking me back to school.
I'm happy that my members of parliament from Gabon have decided to sponsor him. Start to go to do his senior one, to do his secondary school. And this is the message that the president was passing, that we must make this compulsory boarding, and particularly we need to implement it as a matter of emergency in KARAMOJA to divert all these young people from these habits of stealing.
Apolo necholongo ko kansulolo ipolo kokotido ngesi abalebe ekotoske sa lemare akira no ateka na tekerin no KARAMOJA kanu apedra Ainyabuk na Aipuc.
KARAMOJA to be one, like Uganda to be one. Well, KARAMOJA also, we are like to be one. I don't want to talk here about Iye, Dodos, Labori, Arenga, Mazeniko, Kian, Bokora, Upe. I don't want to that separation. Today, we want to create a one KARAMOJA to be one.
Relax Emi Alomu, Godfred Eyoku, TV East KARAMOJA.